Hi there, Jeff Matheson, Matheson Group, eXp Realty. I'm here at 2621 Baynes Sound Way in this amazing community of Half Moon Bay here in Barrhaven. This is a great neighborhood. There's lots of schools around here, shopping, all the amenities you could imagine are about a 5-minute drive away on Strandherd. This is just a great property. It's a 3-bedroom stack. It's a freehold property. It's an end unit as well. The great thing about this place is it does not have condo fees. So if you're a first-time home buyer trying to get in the market, this is a great property. Also amazing for investors. Let's go ahead and take a look at this amazing property. Come on inside. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this amazing freehold townhome we have here in Half Moon Bay Barrhaven. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Matheson Group, eXp Realty at 613-222-9022, and we're happy to help.